Smart home is getting more popular, and you may ask yourself, should we install a smart home at my house? My suggestion is it is not essential, but for some house, it is very convenient after you install a smart home. For instance, for a house more than 400 meters or square meters, or for a house less than 80 square meters. So, but there's plenty of solutions in the world today, nowadays. So what are the solutions that's suitable for a house type? So for 400 square meters above, you may consider wired smart solutions. For instance, there's a brands like Lutron, Legrand, KNX solutions, or there's Control Force. For wireless solutions, that's wireless solutions that may be suitable for 80 square meters below. There's plenty solutions as well. There's brands like Xiaomi, there's brands like Lutron, Orvibo, there's brands like um, Philips, Hue, etc. So these are the solutions that are available in the market today. For house size, anywhere between 80 to 150, those are the category for me is good to have. So why is that good to have? It's basically smart home is to enhance your lifestyles. It's giving you convenience at the same time it's giving you the ambience. So these are the things are good to have. So for 80 to 150, so you should consider wireless. The reasons of you should choose wireless, number one is the project management cost is much more lower compared to wire because the cost will be more effective. Second is that there's plenty of choices in the market, right? As I mentioned previously, Orvibo, Xiaomi, Tuya.
Like and follow to get mind map.